Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be creating this very simple kind of quick look for you all. I'm going to do it really quick because I'm actually running out of time. What I'm going to be using, just two brushes, the deluxe crease brush and the essential crease brush. I'm using the Maybelline 24 carat palette and I'm using the 17 contour kit just for my eyes. So I'm picking this brush up and then I'm going to go in with the dark browny shade. I'm going to open it and show you that dark browny shade. I'm going to pick a bit of it up, and I'm just going to put it into my crease and just place it. I'm picking a very little amount because this colour is really pigmented and I don't want to put it in the wrong place because it's just going to be hard to take off, if that makes sense. I'll just take that crease brush, deluxe one, just blend it all out. I really love this blending. I'm just going to pick up that bronze colour from the contour kit and then place it on top using the same essential crease brush just to create a bit of warmth, like so. And I'm going to go back in, blend. Then I'm done with my crease. I'm going to pick up this shade here, this kind of rose gold champagne colour, and a mirror for it. Just place it on my lid. I was actually running out of brow pomade, guys, so I had to kind of put rose water in there to kind of loosen it up a bit, so I've got a bit more. So my eyebrows do look a bit manky, but it will do. So I'm happy with that, and now I'm gonna go straight into with mascara. And as always, I'm using this Falsies one. I'm gonna apply generous coats. Whoops, do you see what I did? And I'm going to apply some on the bottom. And just like that. That's the finished look, guys. Just something very quick and simple for work. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please do give it a thumbs up. Oh, powder. Do subscribe to my channel and do leave your thoughts and opinions down below, and I will see you next time. Bye.